Welcome to Living Chronic, the podcast that explores the realities of living with chronic illness and disability while redefining how we thrive in our personal and professional lives. I'm your host, Brandy Schantz, a disabled veteran and chronic illness warrior, here to discuss the challenges, triumphs, and untapped potential of life with a chronic condition. Before we dive in, please take a minute to hit the subscribe button on whatever platform you're listening. Now, let's change the way we think about disability together. Hi, this is Brandy Schantz, and you're listening to Living Chronic. I'm here today with Susie Burnett. She is Crony Mommy on Instagram, if you follow her. She is also a member of two of the clubs that I belong to, two clubs you probably don't want to join. She has Crohn's disease, and she also recently experienced drug-induced lupus. So, welcome, Susie. Thank you for coming to Living Chronic.
Thank you, Brandy, and thank you for having me.
So you've had a blog and an Instagram account for a while chronicling your time with Crohn's disease, especially as a woman living with Crohn's disease and a mom. So tell me a little bit about your journey and why you decided to share.
Yes, absolutely. Well, I was diagnosed with Crohn's disease in 2008, although I feel I have had it since a young child. I was a picky eater, not because I didn't like the foods, but I noticed a reaction immediately when I ate different things. Started with frequent bathroom trips and was losing weight. But when I was younger, there just wasn't a lot of information out there on Crohn's disease and IBD. So it wasn't until 2008 that I was diagnosed, several years later when I was 28. And it took a few different doctors to finally get the diagnosis. And I still remember when the gastroenterologist, who's still currently my GI doctor, he told me I had Crohn's disease. And I turned to my mom and I said, "What's that?" I didn't even know what it was.
Yeah.
So, fast forward a few years,